Hello, I'm Mike with Fuse in San Jose, California. We're in our warehouse today and we got a new product that we want to showcase you because we just became their authorized installers. It's a new electric panel. You can see it's sort of like a revolution for the electric panels. They've been out for a while, but this is the first panel of its kind. It's called the SPAN, Smart Electric Panel. Looks like this. It makes all your energy smart. You can basically connect everything to the internet, to the app, and in real time you can switch on and switch off things. So this panel has multiple features. One of the features is you can install an app, and with an app you can see the whole consumption of your house. So it would show you what are the wattage, how many watts are being used for different things like the fridge, car charger, anything in your house. You will be able to see in real time how much energy is being used. Lots of data. You can see weekly consumption, monthly consumption. It would even show, let's say you have many appliances in the house and let's say your fridge might not be working good. So it has the data where it's gonna send you alert that the fridge doesn't use the correct amount of energy. So sometimes it would let you beforehand know that something is not right with your equipment. Another feature is product is very good if you plan to do solar panels, because in case the power goes out and you have batteries, you can customize, prioritize where the energy would go. Let's say you can make that, your fridge and your HVAC are the main points that have to be on, so everything else would be off. Again, you can prioritize in the app what features you want to be available once the energy goes out. If you prioritize specific things, let's say you install 2 car chargers, EV chargers, and you decide to turn on everything at the same time, it would not let you do that. So likely, if in the main priority are the 2 car chargers, you wouldn't be able to run something else because it's list of the priorities. So this way it would have safety feature built in. If you have a 100 amp service and you cannot go any higher, you can put this panel because it would protect you. It would never let something happen where over 100 would be used at a time. So it gives you that sort of protection as well. SPAN company makes constant updates to the apps. They release new products. They just released the new charger that you can pair with this panel, so it gives you more data. It has many partnerships with the solar systems where you can connect everything, make it more unified products. We're authorized installers of the SPAN. We're actually among the first ones in San Jose that started doing the SPAN panel installation because it's a very cool product and our company like to use many innovative products for the customers. To be among the first one to bring them to the market, so we started doing this installation. The installation takes about a day. Approximate price of something like this installed is about $8,000 on average. We would install it, we will show you how it works, explain everything, so you would be good to go and start using this immediately. This is a very cool product, so if you'd like us to install it or would like to get more information, custom estimate, please contact us, go to our website or just give us a call and we'll send you an estimate, we'll send you a quote and we'll get you on board with the installation. Thank you and good luck.